Mutulu Ngove and George Gwamatanga, who are currently on US soil attending IMF and World Bank meetings in Washington, D.C., who today face two immediate challenges. Sanapena Mashkabranyo Panava, Iowa, these guys, Noku Kwakaitiwa, wanted list. Pankwa ino vachafesa challenges kwavari aiwa ku World Bank meeting to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina pana pendalin Emma Branyara first. An arrest threat, but the FBI connected to their corrupt and fraudulent payments to Wikileaks on the ZEC tender and many other illicit payments made in USD. These payments were made in USD using local banks that transact with US intermediary banks, therefore creating a connection with the US financial team system. Subsequently, the recipients of the payments in the case of Wikileaks made various payments to the US from South Africa, for instance, and many other jurisdictions using the same proceeds of corruption. Mutulu Ngove and Gwamatanga, as the gatekeepers of treasury funds, have single-handedly facilitated the world's biggest blunder of public funds in an emerging economy in modern history, as funds paid in all manner of corrupt schemes have now exceeded $7 billion in the past 6 months. Secondly, the Zimbabwean diaspora citizens in the US have heeded the call by Comrade Geza to immediately action the weapon of citizen arrest. We understand that there is a group making their way to where Mutuli and Gwamatanga are ensconced to do the needful. More details to follow. Tomas Kwabda Panabajins Awa. Pangwa in with these guys, very vaviri, our they at risk. Just because anytime they might be arrested. No good corruption. Iron Kokunza Awa. Iripam Soro Power. To them of Gro in what could be pumps of digit question. Comment section made. Subscribe or like and chat on the bell icon.